Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're going to be talking about how I'm pissed off. I'm going to Vegas. Aurora's having the shareholder. I got my shareholder notice meeting. It's going to be for November 30th at 10 a.m. But my plane leaves at 7 a.m. It's so funny how things work out. It's like Aurora secretly stalking me. Like, oh, this guy's leaving on November 30th at 7 a.m. So we'll have our shareholder meeting on, on the same day, just 3 hours after, so this guy doesn't show up. Just kidding. I don't know. That's just me speculating. I don't think so, but damn it, I really wanted to go to the shareholder meeting and I can't, and I'm pissed off. It's just how weird things work out. I actually called my airline and asked them to delay my plane to a few hours into the day, but they won't do it. Those bastards, they won't delay my flight because so I'm super pissed off about that. I'm going to Jeremy's financial educational channel. It's pretty expensive. It was basically the same cost as an airplane ticket. That's how expensive it was. It's weird how there's only 2 people that commented. I've already bought at least 3 tickets there, so it's like me and my friends are going. And this other guy called LA Trader, he's going too. And the rest, there's no comments. I thought there would be a lot of people commenting. This was 4 days ago. There's 23 likes, so there's a possibility that there are 23 people going, but I doubt it. I mean, why won't they comment if they were gonna go? There should be some comments, but there's only 2 people commenting, so literally there could be 4 people there, and Graham Stephan and Jeremy from financial education. I'm hoping this is a good experience because I'm missing my goddamn shareholder meeting for this very expensive trip to see Jeremy. Very expensive trip to see Jeremy. Oh, I hope at least I have a fun time in Vegas. At least I'll be visiting Planet 13's new facility that they're opening it up. I heard that you can't smoke weed on the strip, but you can buy weed. So where the hell can you smoke weed in Vegas? Whatever. Okay, so this is a question to you guys. So today at 1 p.m. I'm going to be having a meeting with a lawyer because I'm opening up 2 margin accounts. I have 1 margin account open. It's my own personal margin account. They don't require me to do anything special, but for my corporation margin account, they require me to go get a lawyer to sign off on it. Because, margin accounts are dangerous. If you don't be careful, you can lose all your money. So, one day I could be like, I lost all my money on margin account video. Yay! I hope that's not the case. I'm going to be super careful. Maybe I'm not going to short unless I see a real good opportunity to short. But, yeah, that's my plan going forward. Let me know what you guys think, should I even open up a corporation margin account, or should I just open up my own margin account and then just wait until I get used to the margin account first before I open up my corporation margin account? So, getting a lawyer to sign for a piece of paper gonna cost me $100. That's crazy. Lawyers make ridiculous money for a damn signature. I guess that's all I really have to say about it. Please comment below. Let me know if I should open up my corporation margin account, or should I just stick with stick with my own margin account and then have my corporation margin account later once I get comfortable with margin accounts. Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear you guys' thoughts on this. So, Aurora is, kind of just trading sideways, not really going anywhere. I'm hoping this goes past $10. I don't think it will. I think it's going to be hovering around $10 to $9.50 until the earnings come out on is it Friday? On Monday. So, you know, on Monday, Aurora stock could drop dramatically or it could rise dramatically. I mean, I don't think it'll drop unless the numbers are really, really bad. I don't think it'll be bad. I'll have a video coming out this weekend regarding the numbers for Aurora's shareholder meeting. So stay tuned for that. I think they're going to be decent numbers. Tilray, you know, I sold off in this little bit too early. I bought it at $88, sold it out at $98. I could have bought back in like $94, and you know, it would have taken off to like $112. You know, I knew that if, you know, wheat stocks go up, this stock will go up with it, because this is a wheat stock, and this company is backed by billionaires. So there's no way they're gonna make their company look like a piece of shit while the other company, they want to be the top king in market cap, so they're always gonna pump the stock up to, you know, be above Canopy at all times. Even though Canopy is market cap should be a lot higher, but it hasn't been updated yet. Let's just look at what Canopy is right now. The Canopy is $56.41. It says that it still has $332 million market cap, shares. Even though this shares amount should be a lot higher than 332 million, it should be like 336 million or something. 336 million, but it says 232 million, which is stupid. Namaste had a supply agreement today, and the stock shot up. I mean, if I had shares yesterday at 188, or even like if I managed to buy at 186, I probably would have sold out like right in the morning. You know, this stock's a really nice swing trade if you buy it at the right time and sell it at the right time. Long term, yeah, long term the stock can go to $3. Not this year, at least I don't think so. I mean, anything's possible. We could have a nice rally on next week because of all the earnings, and this stock could go to follow too, and then go to $3. Wouldn't it make any sense? No, but you know, sometimes the stock market doesn't make any sense. Like, I honestly don't believe Namaste deserves a $595 million market cap when a great company like Wayland is worth $285 million market cap. If Namaste took up Wayland, I would be so happy. I would be way more bullish on Namaste as a company, but you know, they have to have something more than just be a e-commerce. In my opinion, they should have like a facility that grows weed. I think, yeah, they should pick up a licensed producer, a nice one, a good one like Wayland. Wayland's a good licensed producer. Those two would have a very good synergies, in my opinion. T-God, why won't this stock? Oh yes, stock is dropping. Yeah, I'm hoping to buy some stock, and I still have a short. I mean, I have a hypothetical short on this that I hypothetically didn't cover yet. So, just saying. So, you know, I could cover now, or I could wait till it drops a little bit lower. But, you know, whatever. It's hypothetical. I don't actually have a real short on it yet. Maybe one day I'll have a margin account and lose all my money on T-God. Who knows? Chew. Chew is, you know, pissed. I mean, like, I don't know what's going on. Like, if this stock drops further, I'm definitely gonna be a buyer. I'm hoping this stock drops to 80 cents, even like 75 cents would make me happy. 70 cents would really make me happy. So I hope this stock tanks, but you know, there's a chance it might just trade around 87 cents to 90 cents for a while until they open up a store, and then once they open up a store, maybe the stock will skyrocket. Who knows? You know, I was wondering, like, Zoom has a lot of small facilities. Aurora is going to be their partner. I was wondering maybe Aurora would, give the expertise of their MetroLeaf expertise and their own expertise to Zoom. So then Zoom can create really high quality products and really good yields from their facilities. Zoom also has a 700,000 square feet facility that they're retrofitting for indoor cultivation. They're slowly retrofitting it over the course of over time. So I don't know. Since they got a lot of money, they could continue to retrofit it, or they can just focus on their stores. I'm happy that Aurora backed them up, because building every store they built, it costs like a little bit over $1 million for every store they built. So, with $20 million, that's like 20 stores. Maybe a little less, maybe 19 stores. So, it's a good thing that Aurora backed them up. And then once they have that 19 stores up, Aurora could, execute the warrant, give them more money, and then they can start building more stores. We'll see what happens, but, they have decent funding now because of Aurora, so they can start building all their stores. And I think eventually Aurora will merge with Zoom, so all the stock that I hold with Zoom will eventually merge and become Aurora stock. So long term, I'm not too concerned about this. Short, I mean, maybe that's the reason why people sold out, because Zoom sold out to Aurora, and long-term investors don't like that. Maybe they wanted Zoom to achieve everything by themselves, and get funding from licensed producers, not get bought out by Aurora, and maybe that's why there's a big sell-off. I don't know for sure, but I'm hoping the stock drops so I can buy more at cheap. Flower Corporation, it had a nice run in the morning, kind of tanked back. I still think this company is expensive. I mean, it has a higher market cap than Wayland, and they don't even have that, and they're not even an international company. They're just like a Canadian company. They do have some expertise from MetroLeaf. So MetroLeaf was the company, I mean, the people who found MetroLeaf also helped start up this company. So, and their focus is on super high quality products. I'm not sure what the production is, but I don't think their market cap deserves to be $321 million. I bought it for the main reasons, the fact that the stock declined so much from IPO, that I thought I'd take a small gamble on it, even if I think the market cap is ridiculous. But T-God market cap is also ridiculous too, and people don't seem to care. Apple stock, I mean, T-God long term will probably grow into the market cap and probably go higher, but short term, I think the stock's going back to $4. Damn the supporting rich people. I want the stock to go down so I can buy it. Apple. Yeah, so what I've been hearing on the internet is we might be back in a bull market for a while now. So, stocks will recover. I'm hoping, we have a nice rally before shit hits the fan. So, that's my hope anyways. I mean, you could have made a nice profit if you bought Apple at like $200, and it's 205 now. But I don't know where Apple's price tag is gonna go in the future, but the market is, like, from my research, the market is starting to rally again, so that's why Apple stock is kind of rallying. AMD had some really nice news, and this is the reason why the stock price rallied so much. They announced that they had a major partnership with Amazon using the Epic server chips, so that's a really big news catalyst for AMD. And then AMD also announced Zen 2 architecture with, much better than Zen 1 architecture. So those two are really big catalysts for the reason why the stock is rising so much. Loblaws, a company that I made a gamble on around $52, and I don't remember the cents, but I bought a little bit of shares, 100 shares, $5,000, and it's paying off pretty nicely. I'm up like 6 or 7% right now, so pretty happy about that. I hope the stock. I hope the stock goes back to $65, but I'll be happy if the stock even goes back to $60. I mean, it's very close to $60. For Resources, this is a company I bought some of the shares this morning. I'm hoping the stock has a nice rally back to like a dollar. That would 10 times the money. I'll be happy if this stock even goes back to like 40 cents or 30 cents even. That's like 3 times the money. That's my hope. I don't know if it will. Who knows? Maybe if I hold out long enough, maybe one day I will see the stock go to 30, 40, 50 cents. Who knows? I mean, lithium will have to really rally for this stock to rally back to like 30, 40 cents. So crossing my fingers that lithium has a nice rally in the future. If Tesla goes to like $500 or $600, I think the stock will probably go back to like 40, 50, 60 cents. Because Tesla is a big lithium consumer, and if Tesla is being successful, the stock's going back to, 40, 50 cents. Just my opinion. Let's see what Tesla's stock is before we end. This is my long term. I refuse to sell any shares of Tesla. Yes! Market rally, Tesla rallies. I'm actually kind of sad. I would rather see the stock decline back to $300. But if the stock market's gonna rally, this stock could go to $400. We'll see what happens in the near future. Maybe I'll sell a little bit at $400, take some profit. But unless it does, I'm just gonna leave it alone. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this content. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.